Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Sui Wallet. You have to go over to Apple Store or Play Store to get the app download. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Over here is Apple Store. Let me go over to the search area and searching Sui Wallet. And you can see it over at the first side. Let me go over to it. You have to choose the one that is written Sui Wallet Mobile. Look at it over here, Sui Wallet Mobile. And let me go over to get, and it's loading. What you have to do next for you to go over to install, install the app to your phone. It's downloading, it will take time, and it's done. You have to go over to open, and here is it for you to create an account. You can create an account with Google, Facebook, Switch, or Apple, or you can go over to create a new phrase or go over to more option. So I advise you to go over to Google. Let me go over to more option first. In the more option side, you can import a passphrase or import a private key. You can use any option you want, but the best option is using Google. Let me go over to Google, and here it says security wallet. Protect your wallet with additional security, which is unlock your wallet and confirm transaction. When you are done with it, you can go over to next. You can see it at the down side. Let me go over to it, and over here they say, do you want Sui Wallet to use ID? You can do allow, you can do not allow. And here it say welcome to Sui Wallet, and here it say protect your asset with two-factor unification. You can do that, or you can do wait. And here is the home page where you can carry out transaction. Let me go over to assets here, and here is your assets. You can carry out transaction over here. And here is app, which is this, and here is activities. It's showing no activities, which means I've not carried out any transaction here. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.